Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 165 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Oh, my bad. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press up or down button to scroll through the list of glances, like this. Find the glance called steps, and once you find it and select it, you can tap on it or press the start button to enter. And here we have the data about our steps count, and we have the daily goal. We can also scroll down to see the average step, average distance, and that's about it. If you want to see more detailed information and your watch is paired with a phone, you can always check it in the Garmin Connect application. So we're gonna bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera, so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we're gonna open the Garmin Connect application, tap on more. Oh no, we don't need to tap on more, never mind. We're gonna tap on dismiss, not now. And on the My Day page, you should see the statistics for the steps, the last 7 days, but you can also tap on, it's still loading, so let's wait. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, so we can tap on more, tap on health stats, I believe. And then, no, not health stuffs, activities, my bad. In activities, we have the steps, and we'll open the steps page, and here we can check the details for our steps, goals, and stuff like that. And we have daily, 7 days, 4 weeks, and yearly. So you can basically check your goals or the activity through the steps, for the steps, through the whole year if you want to. Okay. And once you're done, you can of course close the application. And that's how you track or check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.